This could be the car for you. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Answer the call to adventure in high-tech comfort in this sophisticated Santa Cruz. Open bed utility and a composed upscale cabin make this a uniquely versatile and satisfying vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver's seat. Versatility blends beautifully with sophisticated comfort in this remarkable Santa Cruz. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.